Hello code lovers, today in our video we will control the volume of our computer only with our camera without using a keyboard or a mouse. I am going to use Anaconda and Spider. You can also use PyCharm differently. We will use OpenCV, MediaPipe, and Python libraries. As I mentioned and showed in my previous videos, you need to download the libraries using the Anaconda prompt or the console. If you type the library you want to download next to pipe install statement, you will have successfully completed the first operation. I won't show it again because I downloaded and showed it before. We can start writing code to Spider. First of all, let's import our libraries. Import CV2, import MediaPipe, MediaPipe as MP, and import Pietrugai. Yes. Let's get down the process of launching our camera CV2 video capture. As long as our camera is on, let's write down the things we wanna do in the while loop, while true, success image caprit and CV2 show image. Oops. And key CV2 wait key 10 if key break. Finally, let's write these lines to complete this process. Capitalize and CV2 destroy all windows. With the codes we have written so far, your camera should be working. You can check it out if you want. We will use a structure like hand tracking, which I have done in my previous videos. You can check it. Let's create the variables for our hands using the MediaPipe library. MP hands, MP solutions, hands and hands, drawing items, MP solutions, drawing items. Yes. Let's move into while cycle. In the basic idea, we will divide our hands with small red dots. First of all, let's change our image from BGR format to RGB format. RGB image, CV2 colors, image, and CV2 colors, BGR2 RGB. Then let's create our output variable to process the RGB image. Output MP hands process RGB image. Then let's write for landmarks, hand output multi hand landmarks if hands for hands in hands drawing drove landmarks image and landmark lists, not landmark lists, hands. For ID and landmark in enumerate landmarks we're gonna use x integer landmark x frame width and we're gonna use u integer landmark frame heights. We don't have a frame width and frame height, so we're gonna use frame height, frame width, and success equals image shape. We have an error on the font name landmarks. We're gonna fix it. Landmarks, hence landmark. Yes. Then you can operate the camera again if you want. Let's see, we need to try it together. Start it, running file. Yes. Yes, we have red dots. We will see the red dots in this way. Now we will use these red dots on the top of our thumb and the dots on the top of our index finger. The ID variables of these points 4 and 8. Let's make the points clear in this way. We are gonna write it here. If ID equals 8, CV2 circle image equals image and center radius color RGB formats and thickness 3. So on X, you run the aim, and now if ID equals 4, same things, CV2 circle image equals image center X and U radius 8 colors RGB format and thickness 3. Now x2, x and 2. And you can write variables such as color or thickness, the size for dots according to your own request. But we don't have x1 and u1, x2. Let's add our coordinates to the beginning of the our code. We can write it here. All of these ones equals 0. We need to measure the distance between the 2 points we have marked. So we will write the distance formulas considering the coordinates of the points and assign it to our dist variable. Dist some math distance formula. Yeah. Let's draw a line that will show us the distance the couple on the camera. CV2 line, image, coordinates, and colors. I'm gonna write purple RGB and 5. Again, you can change the expressions such as color and thickness in this line according to your own wishes. Let's write down the operations of increasing and decreasing the sound off depending on the distance between of them. If distance more 50, we say volume up. For else, we say volume down. You can also change the distance. I say that 50. The code we were going to write was up to here. We have completed our activity. Let's run it together and see the result. As we have seen, the distance between them was out with purple. When I increase the distance above 50, I can increase the sound, and when I zoom it in my fingers more than 50, I can also reduce the sound in this way. My video was so far. I hope it was a video that you both had fun and learned from. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for the next videos. Keep writing code.